Hey guys, I hope everyone's doing well. It's been a while since we made a video, so I figured why not? You know, today's Saturday and we got a lot going on. So anyways, cut to the chase. Earlier this morning, the wife went out to the market to buy some stuff, market stuff. Came home and was cleaning everything up, the fish, the prawns and all that, and she looked at me and she said, you know, these prawns are a really good deal today. I was like, really? Okay, how much is a good deal? Well, she told me and I was like, yeah, you're right, they are a good deal. And she's like, well, why don't we go back and get some more? We should. And I was like, yeah, I think we should also. So it's just coming up on 1 o'clock, 12:30 actually, and we're hoping we're not too late. We're gonna go back there and we're gonna see if we can score some more prawns because they are a good deal today. So, want to invite you to come along. So let's go get those prawns. Let's go. Okay, well, we're down here by CSI Alaminos Warehouse Club. Had to go in and get some cash at the ATM. And we are en route to the market. We got to get those prawns. Found a good deal, so we're going to go ahead and capitalize.
Hoarding.
Yeah, we're hoarders, right?
Hoarding.
What?
Prawn hoarding.
Prawn hoarders, well, you got to be a hoarder at something, I always say. No thanks, guy. Well, one thing I would like to add is it is humid out here. Yes. Well, it is rainy season, so we get dumped on, and then the sun comes out, and then we get dumped on again, and then the sun comes out. So you can pretty much figure out the rest from there. The 7-Eleven, they're popping up all over the place. So those of you who like 7-Eleven, come to Alaminos.
We have 7-Eleven.
Say what?
7-Eleven.
4? I think there's probably more. Well, they're building one. There's one over there by Palamis, so they're by the bypass road. There's one here, so that's 2. There's one over there by Nepo, that's 3. There's one over here in Alaminos City, that's 4. And now they're building the new one over by the church, heading out to Lucap. So that's 5.
Opposite of the hospital.
Yeah, right across from the hospital, they're building another 7-Eleven. So what do we got here? Yeah, just some little copy shops. Not coffee, copy, C-O-P-Y. Church to go, of course. And this guy who just decides he's going to pull out in front of me. I'm sure he's thinking I'm going to pull out in front of him. Yep. See, in the Philippines, you are responsible for your own safety. If you hurt yourself because there's a piece of sidewalk missing and you fall down into the gutter, or you reach out and grab a dangling wire from a utility pole and you get a shock, there is no course of action for retribution or what. You hurt yourself, it's on you. You should know better. You should be paying attention. That's the way it is over here. So be very careful. And that includes walking out into traffic. If somebody hits you, especially as a foreigner, it's probably going to be your fault. Yeah, as a pedestrian, you walk out in traffic, somebody hits you, and because they hit you, they break their headlight. They're going to make you pay for it. Am I right?
Yeah.
Well, you broke my frickin' leg and you broke my hip. And whatever else. But guess what? The other party says, well, you broke my headlight. Well, you're the foreigner, guess what? You're going to pay for the headlight and your new hip.
Yeah.
And your prosthetic leg. So, be very, very careful. So that's all I'm trying to say. That's why I don't drive over here. I won't do it.
It's going to 10 hours driving.
Yeah, we have a tricycle and I don't even use it. I used it a few times. We took a couple trips on it, but nah, it's not worth it. Plus, public transportation is so cheap here. I know I'm just yammering on, aren't I?
If you take public transport, it's more cheaper
Yeah.
than hitting someone and then accident.
Exactly. Your best bet is just to hop in the tricycle and have the tricycle driver bring you where you want to go. Doesn't cost that much, and well, you keep those guys employed also. All right, we're almost making it down here to the market. We're almost there. I came over here during the pandemic, and this place is a ghost town. How times have changed. McDonald's, which I've never been in,
Always full.
it's always crowded in there from what I hear, so. All right, so let's go down this way. See, I look like a tourist holding this camera. But I also do not look like a tourist because my skin is darker, having been here for a while. Huh?
You're still white.
Yeah, I know, I'm still white. I don't get out much anymore. I enjoy being at home. Kind of a homebody. So now I guess you could say we're on the west side of Nepo.
At the wet part.
Yeah, coming in. Once we enter in, we should go right into the wet market side of the market. What's that? All right, let's let this guy. Want to go down in? Yep. So here we go. You got money?
I don't know. You will pay.
All right, I will pay. Will, sir. Not much editing going on here. We're just shooting video. Straight through. Hello. And these are it. Woo! Look at that.
This is where I bought.
Wow, that's a lot. This is what we came here for.
400. Dito, magkano? 450 minutes. Dito na lang, isa't kalahati. Isa't kalahati. 1.5 kilo?
What are we getting them at?
400. The same price.
2.
2 kilos?
Yep.
Ano ma'am? 2 kilos. Mag-offer siya na.
Is that enough?
Yeah, enough. Otherwise.
Or should we just go for the 2.5?
2 kilos. I take 1.5 kilo this morning.
Say what?
I took 1.5 kilo this morning.
Okay. Man, let me tell you guys, it's freaking hot. Outside, well, it's not too bad in here, but outside there, whoop, man, it's freaking hot as hell. Well, mostly humidity. So, but anyways, they're over there sorting out the prawns, getting us 2 kilos. So that's in addition to the 1.5 kilos we did earlier. So Yeah, 3.5 kilos of prawns. Man, we're gonna have a whole freezer full. It's pretty awesome though, I love it. Okay, we're back. I had to pause for a second there. And guess what she's doing? She's subscribing to our YouTube channel. At least I think she is. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, I'll see you soon. Is that it? That should be it, right?
She is Ma'am Raquel.
Ma'am?
She's the one, Ma'am Raquel.
Raquel?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Raquel.
The one who told me about Maricons, because Maricons is the owner of the Maricons is her sister-in-law.
Oh yeah?
That's why next time I will go and do the massage.
Nice.
But
Okay, let's do it. We got what we came here for.
we take it right now.
Over here? Very nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, that's it. Quick and easy. Whew. Okay guys, I know I didn't give you a full in-depth comprehensive tour of the wet market. However, I do have previous videos that have a lot of market footage. I will come back over here and do an updated market video here soon. But right now we just came out here to get these prawns and get back to the house. So, all right, let's do this. All right, we made it. That concludes our trip to Alaminos City and Nepo Market to get our prawns that we found for a good deal out there. So, you know, sometimes those things happen. You know, you get out there and you find a good deal on something. Boy, you gotta swoop in and grab it, because it won't last long. I'll guarantee that. So, anyways, appreciate you coming along. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Take care of yourselves. Take care of yourselves. Be safe, and we'll talk to you soon. All right. Love you all. Have a good one. Bye-bye.